Hi guys, and welcome to my Mommy's Mini Me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my videos. So I was doing this makeup look. Get ready with me to go nowhere makeup look, and I decided to curl my hair using this crimper. This one is a 2-inch crimper. This is the box here. It says Gold Hot Professional. It's a ceramic crimping iron, and it goes up to 450 degrees. Great for textured style. So I really wanted to get a crimper, and I have a lot of hot tools, and but this one is the one that I don't have. I will just show you guys on how to crimp your hair using this crimper. Okay, so now we have to start. I just have to comb my hair, and then comb it and section it like so. And okay, and section the back part. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this one. It's like 1 inch, and so we'll start from there. There you go, guys. This crimper is very hot, so what I do is just kind of crimp it. That you just have to move it, guys. Keep on moving it until you get the crimp, or the kind of a wavy look. So that's how you do it. Just kind of crimp it like that. Look at that. You don't show, but as soon as I get done with this, it will show what it looks like. This may take a while. The crimper, it's like a small wavy hair. Wavy. Okay, I'm gonna do this side here. I will finish this and I will be right back, because I don't want to make a whole video just for this one. See guys. Okay, that's how I look. Do like a hairstyle. I will try to clip my hair. We'll see if I'll clip like that. Like that. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my videos. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.